But it's me again. Just thought I'd do a quick little video just to say hi, let you know I'm still around. Did have major surgery last year, which you were aware of, and it's taken me quite some time to get back. Unfortunately, I'm not going to be able to do the hiking that I wanted to do, but I might be able to do some bike tours. So I'm currently out doing a little bit of bike riding, trying to get a bit fitter, ready for that. And hopefully in the next month or two I'll be able to start getting out and doing some bike touring. So hopefully I'll be able to take you guys along with me. Let's keep our fingers crossed. At the moment I'm just out on a little bit of the Mawson Trail, just outside of Hawker. Just going to do a little quick ride and head back into town. So I'll try and film some of it as we're going along. So come along with me. Okay, just riding along here and hoping I'm not falling off. Trying to use the camera, keep myself in area and steer through the rocks here. It's going to take a little bit of practice, but hopefully I won't go arse up. If I do, you'll be right there with me. So as I said, this is only a short ride, probably only a couple of kilometres, but part of it is to see how I go filming with this camera and trying to work out how to do stuff. We'll see what happens. Back in a minute. These are the new entrance into Hawker. Isn't that awesome? Yellow-footed rock wallabies, which are found up in the Flinders Ranges. And there you go. Alright, see you on the next video. Cheers for now. Bye.